Hello and welcome to Flipkart. I'm Vishwa and today I'm reviewing the all-new Samsung RT34M5538S8 HL 324-litre 3-star frost-free refrigerator. So without any further ado, let's learn more about its features. To begin with, this refrigerator is a fine work of technology. It is extremely flexible with Samsung's groundbreaking Smart Convertible 5-in-1 feature. With this feature, you can easily convert your freezer into a fridge and create up to 88 liters of extra space. It gives you 5 different preset modes for all occasions. You can choose from regular mode, extra fridge mode, seasonal mode, vacation mode, and home alone mode to fulfill all your needs, ensuring that you never run out of space during festivals or special occasions. It also has an off mode for saving energy and reducing electricity costs. Now one look at it and you know it's super spacious. Samsung's trademark Twin Cooling Plus technology preserves your food and keeps it fresh for a longer duration. The technology creates a favorable environment for food in the fridge with 70% humidity compared to 30% in a conventional TMF. It cools the freezer compartment separately, ensuring your frozen foods retain their original flavor. Another great feature of this refrigerator is that it comes with an advanced, durable digital inverter compressor. It automatically adjusts its speed to meet your cooling demands, which means that it helps prevent the compressor from unwanted overuse. This ensures your refrigerator remains trouble-free and lasts longer. Now that's a useful piece of technology. This refrigerator is equipped with the Cool Pack feature, which comes to your rescue during power outages. It keeps your frozen items chilled even without electricity for up to 12 hours, maintaining a temperature below 0 degrees Celsius. Now what makes this device smart is its efficiency to make your life easy. That's exactly what the energy-saving door alarm does. To avoid loss of cool air and to ensure that your food remains fresh, this refrigerator comes with a built-in door alarm set to go off if the door is left open for more than 2 minutes. Isn't that cool? This Samsung refrigerator not only has all these amazing functional features, but also has a beautiful, efficient design as well. The innovators at Samsung have introduced design features like recessed-type handles, fresh room, antibacterial gasket, big bottle guards, toughened glass shelves, LED panel, and more to make it user-friendly and extremely efficient. Moving on to the next feature, this refrigerator is also equipped with PowerCool and PowerFreeze technology, delivering intensely cold air at the touch of a single button. Its PowerCool system chills food and drinks in the fridge, while its PowerFreeze feature helps in firming up your frozen foods and is ideal for quick ice making. So now never run out of ice during your house parties and be the perfect host. Now the best of all, brand warranty has your back. With this product, Samsung has got you covered for any future mishappenings. This fridge comes with a 10-year warranty that gives you true peace of mind during the course of its run. So friends, with all the amazing features we spoke of, along with Smart Inverter Connect, all-round cooling, its stabilizer-free operation, and many more, I think Samsung RT34M5538S8 HL will become an ideal help for your family on an everyday basis in no time. And buying this on Flipkart is a deal that you cannot afford to miss, because on Flipkart, you get quick delivery, hassle-free installation, a detailed demo, and assured brand warranty. So come join the Flipkart family. That's all from me, and have a perfect buy.